Hello everyone, this is the first part of the video tutorial how to crochet a cardigan. In this video I'll show you how to work the first 8 rows. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet cardigan jacket pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin crocheting from the bottom to top. Make a foundation chain of 125 chains on multiples of 5 chains. First row, insert the hook into the first chain from your hook and make double crochet 1. Then work 1 double crochet into each chain to enter the row. At the end of the row, work 1 returning chain. Second row, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 1. Then work 2 more single crochets. And then work a repeat. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet 3 to end of the row. At the end of the second row, work 2 returning chains. Third row, insert the hook into the fourth chain from your hook and work double crochet 1. Then work single crochet 5 under the arch of 3 chains. One slip stitch into the middle single crochet of the previous row, and then just work the repeat. 5 single crochets under the following arch of 3 chains, and then slip stitch 1. At the end of the row 3, after last single crochet 5, work 2 double crochets. And 1 returning chain. Row 4, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 5. Then chain 3, skip 4, single crochet 2. Now repeat from chain 3, skip 4, single crochet 2. Again chain 3, skip 4, single crochet 2. At the end of the row 2, after last single crochet 2, work 1 more single crochet, skip 1 chain and work 2 more single crochets. At the end of the row, work 2 returning chains. Work your row 5 as your first row. Insert the hook into the first chain from your hook and work double crochets to end. At the end of the row, work 1 returning chain, turn, then insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochets to end. At the end of the row 6, work 1 returning chain. Row 7. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work half double crochet 1. Then 2 more half double crochets. After that, work a bump. Here is my back loop and here is my front loop. Use the front loop now. Work as a half double crochet. So you have 3 loops on your hook. And now repeat yarn over and pull the yarn through the front loop again. When you have 5 loops on your hook, draw the yarn through the first 4. Then use the back loop of the same chain. Grab the yarn and pull it through the 2 loops on your hook. Work a slip stitch. Now work 4 half double crochets. And repeat the pattern starting from a bump. Yarn over, use front loop, pull the yarn through, and one more time, pull the yarn through. Now grab the yarn and pull it through the first 4 loops on your hook. After that, use the back loop and work 1 slip stitch. And again, after the bump, work 4 half double crochets and so on. At the end of the row, after last half double crochet 4, work 1 returning chain and then work single crochet row. Again, single crochet your row 8 and then repeat the pattern starting from the first row. So work your row 9 as your first row, row 10 as your second row, and so on. Row 10, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook, work single crochet 3. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet 3 to end of the row. In the second part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to finish up the project.